Hello everyone, this is Gabrielle, and in this tutorial I will be going over the Temple tab. So first you'll need to sign in to Family Search, and once you do that your name will come up in the right hand corner. Then I'll have you click on Temple. Then you'll click on All Reserved. Once you do that, a screen similar to this should show up. So here we have all reserved, so I can scroll through and see all of the names that I have reserved right now. And it tells me their name, it tells me their ceiling, if they have it, what ordinances need to be done, and if you click this little arrow it tells you the full word instead of just the abbreviation here. And then it has the date reserved as well. So I believe it is for 2 years that it expires. It looks like just over a year, yeah. So you can reserve a family file name for just under 2 years, and here you can click Reservation Policy and you can learn about whose ordinances you should do, ordinance expiration dates. Yeah, so this has all the information that you need. So I'll go back. Over here it has the legend. So on your screen it might have several of these colors, and here you can learn what those different colors mean. And then if you are a family history consultant or a parent that wants to help their youth, you can do this Help Others. And you can put in their username and their helper number, or you can do their full first name, last name, date of birth, and their helper number. And once you do that, you will get access to their tree. And I will put up a video soon about how to help others, whether you're a parent trying to help their youth, or if you are a consultant trying to help other people. And then moving on, in our Temple tab, here you can go to Not Printed, and then you can select the names that you want to print. This shows printed and then shared names. And then if you haven't seen my video about the Ordinance Ready tab, I have a whole video devoted to that, so you can look at that there. But I'm going to go back to All Reserved. So here, if I wanted to print this family file name, I would click the little box, and normally I would press print. However, right now, because of COVID-19, all of the temples are closed, so that's why this little tab is here, this little notification. But normally you would just press print, and then it would print and all would be well. You can also share with the temple or share with your family or friends if you have too many names to do yourself, or a family member asks for a family file name. Or you can click Unreserve if you cannot complete all of the names that you have for whatever reason. So that is the Temple tab on Family Search. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments and I will get back to you guys. And if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.